Hello. Did you know that young people today may have lower testosterone levels than the elderly 20 years ago? Could you also be facing this problem? In today's video, we will explore the symptoms of low testosterone, from the most obvious to the most subtle. You will understand the risks this condition can bring and why the levels of this essential hormone are declining worldwide. Additionally, I will reveal 6 natural tips to boost your testosterone in a healthy way. Stay with me until the end, because what I'm going to share could transform your health. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our health tips, and activate the bell to receive notifications. So, do you think your testosterone is low, or are you sure about it? Tell me where in the world you're watching from. Write it down below in the comments. You might think that the decline in testosterone levels is something natural with age, but the reality is more complex. This problem is affecting men of all ages. Let's compare testosterone levels from the past with those of today. Testosterone levels, then versus now. In the 80s and 90s, a 60-year-old man had, on average, 505 nanograms per deciliter, ding per dl, of testosterone. Today, that number has dropped to around 430 nanograms per deciliter, a reduction of approximately 1% per year. A recent study involving more than 100,000 Israeli men analyzed data from 2006 to 2019 and revealed something alarming. The average testosterone levels dropped more than 10% in almost all age groups. This means that even young people today may have levels that, a few years ago, would have been considered low for much older men. Declining male health. The drop in testosterone is not the only problem. Other indicators of male health are also declining. Sperm counts have been decreasing significantly. Reproductive disorders such as testicular cancer are on the rise, and even grip strength is showing signs of reduction. All of this makes us question, what is happening to men's health? Why is testosterone so important? Have you ever wondered why your voice gets deeper during adolescence, or why body hair starts to grow? All of this is due to testosterone, the main male hormone. It also strengthens bones, stimulates the growth of sexual organs, and is essential for reproductive function, increasing sexual desire and sperm production. That's why this decline is so concerning. What is considered low testosterone? According to the American Urological Association, levels below 300 nanograms per deciliter are considered low in adults. It's normal for testosterone to decrease with age, peaking around 20 years old and dropping about 1 to 2% per year after 40. However, research shows that up to 40% of men over 40-45 may have levels below the ideal. Symptoms of low testosterone. 12 warning signs. Reduced sexual desire. If interest in sex is decreasing, it could be a sign. Difficulty having or maintaining erections. Testosterone is essential for sexual vigor. Loss of body hair. Testosterone helps maintain body hair. Constant fatigue. Even with good sleep, you feel exhausted. Hot flashes. Yes, men can experience this too. Decreased muscle mass. Testosterone is crucial for building muscle. Increased body fat, especially in the abdominal area. Mood changes. Anxiety, irritability, and depression may be linked to low testosterone. Difficulty concentrating and poor memory. Testosterone also affects the mind. Reduced bone mass increases the risk of osteoporosis. Changes in genitals. Smaller and softer testicles can be a sign. Infertility. Testosterone is essential for sperm production. What is causing this decline? The decline in testosterone is not caused by a single factor, but by a combination of elements. Here are the 3 main ones. Endocrine disruptors. Chemical substances found in pesticides, plastics, preservatives, and even supermarket receipts. They disrupt our hormones and can reduce testosterone. Gut dysbiosis. The alteration of gut flora, caused by industrialized food and excessive use of antibiotics also affects testosterone production. Modern lifestyle habits, sedentary behavior, poor sleep, stress, and conditions like prediabetes or diabetes contribute to hormonal imbalance. How to increase testosterone. Naturally, 6 tips. Weight loss. Visceral fat converts testosterone into estrogen, the female hormone. Exercise. Strength training, especially leg exercises, can increase testosterone. Avoid diabetes. Control blood sugar and insulin resistance. Cut alcohol. Excessive consumption can increase estrogen levels. Reduce stress. Cortisol, the stress hormone, destroys testosterone. Healthy diet. Avoid ultra-processed foods and invest in fruits, nuts, fatty fish, and leafy greens. Hormone replacement. Is it worth it? Hormone replacement is not always the best option. It can increase the risk of arterial plaque, cause infertility, and even shrink the testicles. Natural alternatives, such as Tribulus terrestris, maca root, and probiotics, may be safer options. If you've identified any of the symptoms, consult a doctor, but remember, improving your lifestyle habits is the key to increasing your testosterone naturally and healthily. Did you like the video? Share it so more people can access this information. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more health tips. See you in the next video.